There's a bathroom right there again. Oh, yes, sir. I'll be back. This is the sloppiest body built, nasty nigga I've ever dealt with in my life. Now look, I'm gonna keep it a fuck with y'all niggas. This nigga is slower than a bitch. He said cold hoes. Was he harassing y'all? I'm sorry, bro. Chill, y'all gonna make me laugh, bro. He built like an autopsy. Yes, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm dead ass. I didn't mean to do that. Yo. Come on.
Ladies chill.
Ladies chill. If you got a bitch, bro, chill, bro. I don't wanna take
that shit off!
God damn, nigga. Holy fuck. God damn, bro. Nigga about to burst his buttons. I'm sorry, bro. Once again, I'm not trying to torture y'all niggas' eyes, gang. I'm just trying. I'm just trying to get him right, bro. I took him to a store. He was having problems. He took so long in there, we couldn't go to the other store. He's bullshitting. But there's gotta be something that allows him to come out this shit and have a decent fit. Okay?
I think this is the best we gonna get.
Okay, hey, come over here. Okay, yeah. I mean, shit, wow, bro, just stand natural there. Stop eyeing the camera, gang. You gonna break the legs.
What the fuck?
I mean, shit, bro, this the shoe's not it, but I think this is a step in the right direction. So,
shit, did I succeed?
I'm